Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna give y'all the startup because we gotta start my dad's truck because it's having problems. Look at that. Last night it was raining like I don't know what. But see, I ain't gonna pull it in on the front where the hood is. I'm gonna have to do the back by the trunk because that's where the battery's at. But at first, I'm gonna let her warm up. This truck has a lot of miles on it. It's nothing but 200,000, but she runs good. He's had it for about 2 years, 3 years. We got it for a good price, which I'm guessing is because of the mileage that was on it. But overall, we really ain't had nothing wrong with it. Which, I don't like driving the Daytona a lot, but really we ain't have no choice right now. Yeah, I see, there ain't nothing wrong with his truck, but he needs new tires. And we're waiting to hear back from that guy that's working on my dad's Mustang. He only updated us one time in like freaking 3 months. And then that same time, he only updated my dad once. He called him and said, I don't think it's the DEF system, I think it's the fuel pump. And then his daughter works at the gas station where I used to work at, and she said that her dad was waiting on the part. I get my dad told him to take his time, but darn, you know, like 50 years later. I appreciate all the likes and the subscribers to my channel. I'm gonna keep up the channel, keep up the hard work. Well, it ain't really hard. Daytona. Alright, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch y'all in another video. Peace.